Robotic process automation, adoption in accounting. The COVID-19 pandemic changed the business landscape. Automation is the new normal on how businesses work. Robotic process automation is an innovation on its early stage of development. However, it could address issues on social distancing, work efficiencies, and service quality. Businesses have adopted the new normal, yet accounting remains to be the language of business. This study focuses on the readiness to adopt robotic process automation. Diffusion of innovation theory by Rogers was utilized. This theory provides attributes of adoption. These are relative advantage, trialability, and we, the researchers, group compatibility, complexity, and observability to form user-friendly attribute on adoption of robotic process automation in accounting. The hypothesis. There is no significant relationship between relative advantage and robotic process automation adoption. There is no significant relationship between trialability and robotic process automation adoption. And lastly, there is no significant relationship between user-friendly and robotic process automation adoption. We utilize quantitative casual research method. 100 accountants, CPAs, majority from Bureau of Internal Revenue, Revenue Region number 3, were the research participants. These are BIR examiners and tax auditors. Questionnaires were floated and privacy of respondents were secured. Relative advantage has a mean of 4.23. Trialability has a mean of 4.31. User-friendly has 4.26 mean. Acceptance of robotic process automation 4.48 mean. And robotic process automation adoption has 4.43 mean. User-friendly has a beta of 0.327. This attribute affects adoption of robotic process automation. It has a significant relationship. The beta of relative advantage and trialability showed slope which is equal or close to 0. Thus, both have no significant relationship to robotic process automation adoption. This theory serves as a platform in analyzing adoption of different innovation. The proposed equation on adoption of robotic process automation is y equals 0.928 plus 0.327x. The third null hypothesis was rejected. User-friendly composed of compatibility, complexity, and observability has a significant relationship in robotic process automation in accounting. It can be inferred that since users of robotic process automation would encounter different accounting processes, they would be considering robotic process automation's compatibility to fit well with different accounting process and timing of execution of reports. Easy to understand features and capabilities are being considered by CPAs in Tuguegarao City in adoption of robotic process automation in accounting. Because robotic process has a high initial cost, its adoption must be properly evaluated. Also, robotic process automation implementation has a possible effect on employees. This perception of employees that they are being replaced by hardware may result to more problems. Users' acceptance from different province and region and across different industries must be considered in expanding the context of this research. Also, different profession must be considered.